talk about it, just do that shit. Got these bitches saying, yeah, he do that shit.
Yo, what's good YouTube? Frank here with a brand new video, and today we have the Supreme and CDG collaboration, which of course includes 2 box logos, 1 hoodie, 1 shirt, a few other pieces that I'm sure most of you guys know what they are. I do have, or I don't have it right now, but I will have the drop list here in a second, because that's pretty much all anyone cares about. Obviously, nobody cares about what I have to say. Let's see, community. I forgot what the website was, but yeah, here we go. So I will be going for the hoodie, and obviously if that sells out, I will be going for the shirt, and if that sells out, I will be going for something else. So here we have it. It looks like the shirt is a little bit more hyped, not hyped, but a little bit better received, better what, or actually, yeah, that seems about right. Yeah, so the shirt, a lot of people seem to like it, and then same with the hoodie, just a little less. So like I said, the shirt's a little bit more popular. And then we have a few other items which I'm not sure how people like them. The actual like drop list items are nothing special. I don't think many people are going to be going for any of these. But yeah, so like I said, I would be going for the hoodie. And one more thing, I really don't like this camera angle. You guys can see everything in the background, like all my stuff, but I really don't have much space or anywhere else to put it, so I'm gonna have to figure out something for that. But yeah, I really don't like this camera angle. Hopefully I can get that fixed soon here, and yeah, we have about 4 minutes left until the drop. I don't really feel, not nervous, but like sometimes I feel like kind of like scared that I'm not gonna get it, which last week I didn't get anything. But I am going into this with a positive outlook. Hopefully I will get the hoodie. I am going for black just because I feel like I'll get the white one way more dirty. That's just kind of obvious. So black, and if I miss out on that, I will be going for maybe the white hoodie right away, and by that time the shirt's probably gonna sell out. So it's all gonna be kind of like, I guess, whatever I feel at the moment, like kind of instinct, but I mean, not really. It's just, if I don't get the black one, I'll just go back and see what's the first thing I click on, pretty much. But yeah, other parts of the collaboration I don't really like too much. The pants are actually really cool. I don't know what this says, and I don't really care for all. I don't really care to read it. They're okay. But yeah, anyways, here we have the Supreme site. Last time my browser was very slow, and some people in the comment section said it was theirs too. So I'm not sure if that was like a website thing or my internet thing. So I just really hope it doesn't happen this time. 2 more minutes left, and I'm really just gonna sit here and wait. I don't think it's dropped early in forever. Sometimes it will drop a few seconds early. Very recently, it's been pretty much on point, right on the money. So yeah, one thing I don't like about this angle either is like I feel like I'm not looking at the camera ever. So I don't know if that matters or not. I did actually fix this mic last time. I was using my microphone on the camera. So maybe the audio is better, maybe not. If it's worse, I will, I guess, get rid of it. But I got this on Amazon from Fat Kid Deals. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but um, it's kind of like a Twitter page that posts a bunch of deals. Really cool page. Shouts out to them for this. It's like a condenser microphone. It was really cheap. I forgot how much I paid for it, but I bought the stand separately. I don't like the stand because I have been trying to record like gameplay because I have Modern Warfare 2 on the Xbox One now. But I'm struggling to get like, I guess, good gameplay just because I don't know, the lobbies are kind of rough right now. It's usually the same lobby over and over again. And there's always that one dude that's just using grenade launchers, or I don't know, it's just kind of a hard time. But yeah, hopefully I get that done soon, and hopefully this mic sounds good as well, because I do want to make other videos, not just checkout videos. So yeah. Oh, by the way, if you have an Xbox One or Modern Warfare 2 backwards compatible, please play with me, because I don't have any friends on Xbox One. So I'll put my name in the description somewhere. Hopefully you guys check that out, and maybe if you guys snipe or something, we could actually get like a lobby going. That'd be pretty fun. But yeah, anyways, no more talking about that. Add me on Modern Warfare 2 Xbox One. It should be literally any second now. Oh my god, don't tell me. Don't fucking tell me it's gonna. Don't. Okay. Where is. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where the fuck. Yo. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? God damn it, that took me forever, bro. Come on. Don't tell me, bro. It's not adding anything. It's not adding anything to my cart, dog. I had to get whatever one went to my cart. So this white one, large, extra large fits me because large sometimes doesn't fit me all that well. And hopefully, did it? Okay, we're gonna go back and try and get a shirt just because. Whew, it was not adding the large to my cart. Yo, you can see my email. I'll have to block that out. Uh, Card expired. 7. Fuck, bro. Fuck. I'm pretty sure I missed out on it, guys. I'm pretty sure I missed out on it. God damn it, bro. I guess my card number was incorrect. Not incorrect, but the expiration date was actually wrong on there. Because I had autofill. I thought I fixed it, and I didn't, so I'm pretty sure week 1 I didn't run into that issue, so I really don't know why it would say the wrong expiration date. Really don't know why. But I guess we're still checking out. This website is not loading anything. Um, and I am struggling to even get out of this page right here. Processing payment still sold out. Yeah, of course. It did not even do anything, bro. Like, what the fuck, bro? It still says card expired, but it's not, obviously it's not expired because I use it on a day-to-day basis. So here we have the please wait screen. Um, Not looking good, guys. Not looking good. It's now 2 minutes past. Okay, you have previously ordered this item. The item was one stop for product. I'm gonna check my bank statements and see what happened, because it says I ordered it. So it, and I didn't order it. It's not. It's not here. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Fuck off, man. Yep, I don't see a charge on my account, so. Oh my god, this is the worst fucking checkout video in existence. It's gonna take me back to the screen where it's like, you have already ordered this. Oh, it says I already ordered it, bro, but I didn't. Obviously, it's fucking way past. Oh my god, man. Why is it doing this to me, man? I'm really frustrated if you can't tell. Yeah, it's been 4 minutes since the drop, so I mean, at this point, I'm just kind of not expecting to get anything, and I'm really sad about this because it's like it'll be 2 weeks in a row that I fail, so that just bums me out. Not even for the fact that it didn't even process payment now, you know. It says you have previously ordered this item. This item is limited to one style per product. But I don't have a shipping confirmation. I don't have a charge on my account. Like I just don't understand what I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. Yeah, nothing on my account that shows that I purchased any of this stuff. So um, maybe it's gonna take a while. I I don't really know. Maybe I'm banned. I don't fucking know, man. But I'm still trying. It's not even letting me click process payment now. Uh, Terrible, man. Terrible, 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 terrible. Why is it still showing? So these are out of stock. These are still showing that they're in stock. Same with the hoodies, which is very odd. Limit one style per product. Come on, bro. Come. It doesn't even. It doesn't even let me add to cart, bro. Did they fucking ban me or something? What the hell, bro? Yo, this is garbage, man. This is straight garbage. This is straight trash. Look, it's just like kicking me out now. It's. Oh my god. I'm so frustrated with this one. It just sucks. I feel like on my end, I'm doing everything possible to like, like actually check out, but it's either the website or something to do with my connection. But um, I just it's absurd, man. And then I'm getting to the screen so many times. It's gonna take me so long to blur out all this information. Like fuck, man. See it went from please wait to process payment, and it says you have previously ordered this item. There's a limit of one stop per product. But I'm not seeing order confirmations. I'm not seeing charges on my account. I'm not seeing anything. So the fact that it's telling me that is just very stressful because it's still showing up. I don't know if it's like a glitch or something, but it's still showing up as in stock. So um, I don't know. My only other option. Well, it's still showing up that both items are in my cart, which is very annoying. Which they're obviously not in my cart because I removed it just now. So. God damn it, man. Look, I don't have it in my cart, bro. I don't have it. Why are you showing up in my cart? This has not been a good time for me. It just kicked me out, man. No charges on my account still, bro. Fuck. You have previously ordered this item. I haven't though, because I don't see a charge. I swear, if I get hit with like fucking a bunch of charges, like like in the next 5 minutes. I'm gonna be so heated. So at this point, I really want to stop trying just for the fact that it's telling me that you have previous orders. You know what, I'm gonna try one more time with a different card, and then that's gonna be it. Because if I keep on doing this, it's just gonna fuck me over. I just know it. So this is my last attempt. You know what? Fuck. I can't even because one of my other cards, shit, is under my old address. So I tried to check out with it, and it didn't let me. So I think at this point, I think I'm just kind of done. I guess I'll use this card. I've never used this card before. It just seems super unlikely now because it's, what, like 10 minutes past the drop? I don't even know why I'm still trying, bro. It's gonna be such a fucking bitch to block all this information out. I'm so annoyed. It's do you guys see this? Like, what's going on? It's super frustrating, bro. Super frustrating. It can't be because of autofill. I know it's not because of that, but or maybe it is because autofill. Maybe they're blocking everybody who uses autofill. But it's now been recording for 18 minutes. I feel like my camera's gonna die on me soon. So yeah, now it's sold out. So as you guys saw, I managed to get to the checkout screen multiple times. It told me that it was I guess not sold out, but that I had previously already purchased it. Really frustrating moment. Like, it's just super annoying that the fact that I managed to get to the screen and it told me that I had previously ordered it when in fact I didn't. Or who knows, maybe I'll get the confirmation in a few minutes. Maybe my charges will show up later, but as of right now, it's not looking good. Sorry I wasn't able to get something for the second week in a row. I'm gonna keep checking my accounts. Maybe it did go through, because like you guys saw, it said I had previously ordered it. But I don't know if I did or not. Like I said, it's not looking good. So that's gonna do it for today's video. It's probably gonna be a very long video. I apologize for that, but yeah, thanks for watching. If you made it this far, like, seriously, thanks for watching. Like, that was very stressful for me, and it was just a kind of like an annoying moment. But that's gonna do it for today's video. Like I said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on next week's checkout video. Peace. So I'm waiting here for restock, and I follow a few pages on Twitter for like Supreme related news and stuff. Someone tweeted out, you have previously ordered this item, blah blah blah, whatever that message that I got said. So it seems like it was a pretty common issue amongst everybody. Hopefully they realize this, or not realize it, but they restock it, I guess, because I feel like since nobody was able to check out, or maybe it's just taking a while to process, it might restock, or it might just take a while for the confirmation emails and the charges to go through, which sucks because I feel like I'm gonna get hit with a bunch of charges that I don't want right now. But yeah, if there's a restock and if I manage to buy something, I will update you guys. But yeah, now I'm just gonna edit this video before I go to work, and that's it. Peace out, guys.